Mother of God.
The burdens, benefits, and costs of living a more libertine, fun lifestyle.
You
like these
fucking
women were living.
idiot. What the fuck is going on? Oh, you're a fucking retard. Fucking hell. Well done, you fucking... Oh, and you still couldn't even get on the right side of the road. Wow. That's some extra special fucking shit driving.
And who do you think you are in your hotted up shithouse car?
You fucking dickhead. Put that headphone. There's more to this story.
Adorable.
Oh, imagine. Whoa, what a fuck essay, bruh.
Why do you do that?
Essay.
Why do you squirt water at him?
I don't know, the squirter.
No shit.
Remember, I did it once. I think it was January 2024. I think, but sorry, December 2024. Roughly 3 years, but we won't think about that right now. Right now, we'll just be glad that Steve Gibson graces us every Tuesday with security. Now we do this about 1:30 Pacific.
This goon, cross on the green. You fucking dodo. Hey, Death Wish.
What the hell are you doing? What are you doing?
Don't be a dick.
You trying to pass it?
Yeah. It's alright, you got the finger. It's this person in front, they're not going quick enough to that.
What the fuck are you doing?
Like every day's exactly the same with a one-track mind. I don't think I can change. Trapped in memories, stuck on
hotel, and after a flight and a long train ride to get to my destination because I got lost, I was frustrated at the end of the night and I was checking into don't think so.
When the prisoner asked what chick, Fennec replied, Belle.
I shit my pants. I don't know why I even took that chance.
Oh my god, stop! What the fuck?
And that guy decided to try and go.
Wonder if she accepted a lift from someone she knew. They interviewed all of her friends and acquaintances, and many felt like they were suspects.
Especially the stacking chairs.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Well done, dickhead. You cocksucker.
So I went to realistic battles instead. So I played realistic.
What the fuck?
We look forward to getting through the bookings as the year progresses because the demand is really
Oh, you're kidding me. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video.
Yes.
No one I know buys a new car. No one buys. We're not a new car family. I don't know people buying a new car. But it's actually cheaper buying new, or much more competitive buying new, because the second-hand market, the supply shortage is driven that up so much.
Oh, you're a fucking genius, aren't you? No indicators, turn right from the left lane. Unbelievable.
Last year, I've never bought a new car.
Well, when it comes to milestones, it's certainly a big one for one of Australia's most iconic ballroom.
It's as if I wasn't there.
That's the people that already have the miles, and a lot of that cost a lot of it, deal with the reality as goes by.
correct. And then some people who have contracted the disease, that there's two new treatments, Dextromethorphan by Pfizer and then Puriton by Merck Sharp design. Between them we'll have 800,000 in
So I'll be here while he tries to recover. I'm sure he'll be up and at him sooner rather than
That's
later.
how you get the green arrow.
Well, someone thinks it's good news anyway. But the Therapeutic Goods Administration has now accredited the Russian-made Sputnik 5 vaccine. So it's now an accredited vaccine. If you've been vaccinated with Sputnik 5 out of Russia, you're right to come to Australia. that counts as double vaxxed. Well, this is from Katie, Harry Bus South. Hi, Chris. Fantastic news about Sputnik.
What's this guy doing? Oh, yeah, there you go. How's that? That's perfect.